You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body, baby.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be doing a makeup look you just saw in the intro. So to begin, I'll be priming. I primed my eyelids using the P. Louise base in the shade Rumour 2. And now I'm going into the P. Louise Secret Sinners palette, and I use the shade Addicted, and I just packed that into my crease.
Steady on time, yeah, don't be late now.
The next shade I went in with is called Infatuation.
And I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you. And I'ma give you anything.
And lastly, I went in with the shade Climax. So after we've had all those shades placed there, I'm gonna go back in with each one of them and ensure that they're all well blended.
Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all.
Now moving on to cutting the crease, I used the P. Louise colored base in the shade A Hint of Frost, and this one is from the winter collection.
Nobody.
I then went onto the lid with the shade Blue Hawaiian, which is from the Sephora Cosmetics Slush eyeshadow palette. So moving on to eyeliner, I use the Sephora matte liquid eyeliner to create a wing. If you're looking for a great matte black eyeliner, you should definitely try that one. Alright, so now for eyelashes, I used the Style Left on Red from Mariposa TT, and the eyelash applicator is also from Mariposa.
It's okay.
Moving on to the face, I mixed the NYX Cancer Pone Soft Foundation in the shade Mocha, as well as the Loreal True Match foundation in the shade C9.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body, baby, oh. This body, baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the base, nah. Give me that thing where I go.
So now for concealer, I went in with the Toofaced Multi-Sculpting concealer in the shade Chestnut to highlight my face.
Time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching.
To contour, I use the Black Opal foundation stick in the shade Ebony Brown.
You follow me, I go give you all of me. My toe Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want more. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel you.
So now to set the concealer, I use the Sacha Cosmetics loose face powder in the shade Perfect Caramel.
This one will be private show. You don't know. VQ's bad man point the instrumental, giving them one time. It's okay. Bad Bunty will take you there.
And now for bronzer, I use the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami. I then went in with my Black Opal loose finishing powder in the shade Dark to set my face, and I also used that same powder to do a little bit of reverse contouring, and I also used that to set my smile lines so they won't crease as quickly or as much as usual. Here I'm just lining my lower lash line using a black pencil, and I'm going to be swatching that out using the shade Addicted from the Secret Sinners palette. I went in with some of the P. Louise base as well as the P. Louise pigment in the shade A Hint of Desire. I'm going to be mixing these two glitters, and these are from Pinkcraze Cosmetics, and I use the shade Crush and Nyola, and I just applied that with some clear lash glue to the inner half of my lower lash line. Here I'm just applying some mascara, and this one is from Maybelline.
I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Your friends.
And I'm going to move on to apply my highlighter, and this highlighter is from Ameri Beauty in the shade Heiress, and Ameri Beauty is a local Trinidadian makeup brand. Moving on to the lips, I used a regular dark brown lip liner to line, and then I went in with the P. Louise bases in the shades Rumour 5 and Winter Rose to create a really nice pale pink lip, and then I went on top of that with Dose of Colors lip gloss in the shade Cotton Candy, and also some clear lip gloss, and that completes this look. I hope that you guys like it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share everything, and also follow me on Instagram.